Hello everyone, greeting from Johnson. Today we would like to show you how our manual strap packing machines. Now first of all you need to put the straps under the buttons and you put this one, the under strap, onto the wheels here. Then put the upper one onto the cutting wheel, both of them. And this one, the straps under need to be beyond 2 inches of the machine. Press down to tighten the straps. Put the seal onto the straps. Okay, after that you need to clamp the seal like this. Down. It's very easy operation. Cut the straps, remove it. Finish. That's all. Thank you for watching.